Nice to see you again. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw Mabel Beaver. Let's doodle! Okay, we're going to start up here at the top of the page and we're going to draw Mabel Beaver's head first. So we'll start here, we're going to do a curved line down like this. And then we'll do some furry lines here, some hook-shaped lines like this and like this. And let's draw the rest of the side of the head down here like this. And we'll stop right about there. And now let's go back up where we started and let's do some fur on the top of her head. So a curvy loopy line like this and one connected to it like that. And now from the point of that fur line, let's draw the other side of her head down like this. Take your time. You can always pause the video if you need more time. So here we'll do another fur loopy lines here, like the other side. Here and here like that. And let's finish the side of the head off with a curved line down here like this. Like that. Okay, let's draw the ears. So we'll do one ear over here and it's a big half circle line starting here on the top of the head. Like that. And we'll do a smaller one inside like that. It's almost like a half-eaten donut. So up here, we'll do the same thing. Up here, big curved half circle line starting here, up and over. And then we'll do a smaller one inside. Like that. Okay, let's draw the nose now. Right in the middle of that head shape, we're going to do the nose. So it's kind of like a curved triangle with curved sides. Like that. And let's do a highlight on top of it. And then we'll color it in black. And we'll do the mouth, so a little line down from the bottom of the nose, and then we'll curve up like a U shape. And we'll do that on both sides. And what are beavers famous for? Sharp beaver teeth, or not sharp, just big front teeth that they chew wood with. So let's do the teeth, and that's going to be like a U-shaped line starting here, and we'll bring it back up like that. And let's do a half line here. So don't go all the way to the bottom of the teeth. We'll just go in the middle like that. Okay, now let's do the eyes. So we'll do one eye right about here inside the head shape, and it's just a circle. So starting here, we'll do a nice circle like that. And we'll do one on the other side right about here. Like that. And let's do some highlights. So we'll do a smaller circle inside of that circle like this, and then same on this side, smaller one like that. And let's color them in black. And now let's do some eyebrows. So we'll do a curved little line on top like that over that eye. And we'll do the same over this eye. Like that. Okay, now let's go down to the bottom here and we're going to do the body of the Mabel Beaver. So, like in the movie, she has a cell phone. So we're going to draw a cell phone, her holding her cell phone. So let's start here and we'll draw the rectangle of the cell phone first. So starting right here, we'll just do a curved line down, kind of straight. And then back where we started, we'll do a straight line across here. Like that. And then we'll curve the corner. And we'll go down like this, like that. And now we'll draw her paw over here holding the phone. So starting right about here, we'll do a curved line around and then go into her fingers. Curve around, that. And let's do 3 fingers. So one here, that, and then one like that. Okay, now let's finish the cell phone. So starting here at the bottom of this paw, we'll bring the straight line down. We'll curve it a little bit. And we'll do a straight line across like this. And then we'll curve it back up and stop. We'll stop there. And this is where the other arm is going to be holding the phone. So here, let's draw a curved line like this. This is a little bit of a challenging line, but just follow along here. We're going to go down and then back up and then back where we started. We'll do the other fingers here like this, one like that, one like that, and then the finger that'll go into the arm. Like that. Now let's finish off the cell phone and let's give some dimension to the cell phone shape. So here we'll do a little curved line and a thinner line here that helps define the rectangle or the thickness of the cell phone like that. And we'll continue it down here on the bottom down here. And all phones have cameras. So let's do 2 little oval shapes for the lenses of the camera. One here and one here like that. Okay, now let's finish off the body and the tail and the feet. So here, the back of the head here, we're going to do a curved line for the back of her body like this, and that will continue another line here for the into the legs and the back of the body. And that's the foot there, and this will be the hind leg, part of the leg here like that. And now let's do the belly. We'll have her sitting down, so we'll do the belly here, and we'll go up and we'll stop right about there. And let's do the other leg on this side. So starting on this hand right about here, we'll do a curved line like this. It stops, and then it intersects with a big hooky line for the foot back and around like that. And let's draw the toes. 1 toe, 2 toe line, and then 2 lines, 2 toe lines over here like this. All right, now let's draw that beaver tail. Now that's another famous thing that beavers have, is a flat tail that they pat down when they're building their beaver dens. So here, just do a big curved line, wrap it around like this. Here we go. All right. Now we want to add some thickness to that tail, so let's end a pattern so it has some texture to it. So right about here, we'll do a thinner line inside, kind of like the thickness of the cell phone line, but it's for the beaver tail. And then off of that, let's do some texture lines coming down. So we'll do one like this and like this. Keep them kind of evenly spaced across the tail. Like that. And then we'll crisscross. We'll kind of make it like a waffle pattern. So we'll start here. And we'll do one across like that, one across like that, one across like that, and then one last one like this. That looks great. I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in. So grab your markers, colored pencils or crayons, and let's do it. I'm gonna make Mabel brown, like the movie, but you can actually make it any color you want. Okay, we'll make the inside of the ears like a light brown, kind of beige color, and we'll make the tail kind of like a dark gray color. And let's make the cell phone kind of like a blue color. And we'll do the edge a darker blue to give it some dimension. Don't forget to sign your doodle. Wow! Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe.